Guys, so I'm in Nairobi. I'm at my auntie's place. I just arrived from Mombasa. I took the train, the Madaraka Express. Madaraka Express. Well, cheer to Apple. I'll take it from here. If you can hear me, this is a voice in my head. Hi, I'm Rachel. Nice to meet you. Today it's going to be short and sweet. I know you have places to go, sites to see, hacks to break, marriage partners to find. Yup, in the early decade, millennials to not lose gangster points. And by God's grace, we become parents. But anyway, senior life. There's two things I had to do on that day. Go for rehearsal so that I know where I'm going to sit during the graduation ceremony, and have lunch with a friend of mine at Village Market. My lunch date went very well. Thanks for asking. I know, I just had to say it.
Please arise. Please be seated.
Wapenzi, I was 2 hours late. Nairobi traffic, sijui, no comment. Sasa, the one thing yenye ilinibamba in all of this was just taking the pictures after graduation, the one that you buy the flowers and the shinings, you put them around your neck and you take pictures with your family. It brings so much satisfaction that, wow, finally nime graduate. And when you see those pictures around the house or just looking at them on my phone, I feel so nice. But we have to see the drama that was in the graduation square. It was such a good day, totally compensates for the really for the drama that I had when I was clearing school. If you've not watched the video, I'll leave the link down below. Until next Thursday, I will see you then.